Once upon a time, in a bright green forest filled with tall trees and sparkling streams, there lived a tiny, energetic squirrel. Not too far away, beside a quiet, muddy river, lived a gigantic hippo. Months ago, when the cold season came, the hippo had fallen into a deep, heavy sleep. And now, even though the sun was shining and flowers were blooming, the hippo was still sleeping and snoring loudly. So loudly that the poor little squirrel hadn't slept properly all winter.
That big hippo won't let me sleep.
One morning, tired and frustrated, the squirrel marched to the riverbank.
Mr. Hippo! Hey, Mr. Hippo, wake up! Summer is here, you can wake up now!
The squirrel sighed. This isn't working. The next day, the squirrel came back, this time with a tiny drum.
Wake up, you lazy hippo! Come on, you big lug, wake up! Arr, why won't you wake up?
Exhausted, the squirrel wandered through the forest.
I haven't slept for days now because of that loud hippo.
Rubbing his sleepy eyes. Soon, he met some other animals.
Hey, Mr. Squirrel, why do you look sad? You really look tired.
Ugh, I couldn't sleep again last night. The hippo's snoring was so loud it kept me up for hours.
Oh dear, that sounds awful.
And he won't wake up. I need my sleep.
The animals thought for a moment. Then the parrot said, "Maybe the elephant can help." "The elephant?" the squirrel asked nervously. "Yes, his trumpet is so loud it shakes the trees." Even though he was scared, the squirrel decided to try. He walked deep into the forest until he reached a large clearing. There, under the shade of a giant tree, lay the mighty elephant.
Maybe this is a bad idea.
Who's there?
I'm sorry, sir. I need your help, sir. Please. My neighbor, the hippo, won't wake up from his long sleep. I've tried everything, but I'm too small. But your trumpet, it's powerful enough to wake the whole forest.
I don't have time for this. I'm not helping a tiny squirrel with tiny problems.
As he walked deeper into the forest, something felt wrong.
Oh, no. No. Oh, this is terrible.
He scratched and scratched and scratched. Oh, this is terrible. Meanwhile, the sad squirrel was heading home when he heard rustling and groaning nearby. He followed the sound, and there was the elephant, rolling, scratching, and shaking in discomfort. The squirrel tilted his head.
Hey, big guy, looks like you need some help.
Help? From someone as small as you?
Size isn't everything.
Oh, you've got ticks. I can help you.
You? Help me? Don't be ridiculous. Hey, what are you doing?
Squirrel quickly ran through his thick skin folds, picking off the tiny pests. The elephant squirmed. "That tickles! Stop! No, wait, keep going!" He twisted and turned, almost throwing the squirrel off. "Careful!" the squirrel shouted. "You'll shake me off!"
I hate these ants all over my body! Whoa, slow down, I'm gonna fall! Can't stop, these ants are everywhere! I'm slipping! Just hold on! I need to find a river to get these ants off me!
Desperate, the elephant ran to the river and splashed into the water. "Wait, I can't swim well," the squirrel cried. "Get out! Get out!" The elephant rushed back out and shook himself violently. Water flew everywhere. The squirrel held on tightly. Just a little more, almost done. Finally, the squirrel removed the last tick.
The itching, it's gone. I refused to help you, and yet you helped me. Thank you.
It's okay. Since I have helped you, Mr. Elephant, can you help me with my problem too?
Yes, sure.
I haven't been able to sleep all winter due to the hippo's loud snoring.
So how can I be of help, little squirrel?
The parrot and the antelope told me your trumpet is so loud it could shake the whole forest. I was hoping that would help me wake the sleeping hippo.
Yeah, I can help you.
Yeah, finally!
Together, they made their way to the riverbank, where the hippo still lay.
This is the snoring hippo that won't let me sleep.
The elephant raised his trunk, took a deep breath, the ground trembled, the water rippled, the birds flew away in shock, and the hippo shot up instantly.
What? What happened? Is it morning? Is it summer? Did I miss something?
Mr. Hippo, you have been sleeping and snoring the entire winter.
He smiled peacefully.
Mr. Hippo, I couldn't sleep for days because your snoring was very loud, so I had to get Mr. Elephant's help to wake you up.
It's all right now. I'm very sorry, little squirrel. It won't happen again. I was just very exhausted.
Finally, the forest was quiet.
Finally, the hippo is no longer snoring, so I can now have a good sleep. Good night!
And for the first time in months, he could sleep.